Thank you for coming back to our AMTS.Farm Video Manual series. Having completed the Essentials series that walks you through each screen in the program, I am now turning to some of the convenience features that improve program efficiency and streamline formulation. Today, I want to talk about the power of feedbanks and how you can use them to speed up formulation, keep ingredient specs current, and improve your diet creation workflow. Let's start here in the feed screen with a short review of standard feedbanks. As covered in more detail in the Essentials feed screen video, the left side of the feed screen will show active feedbanks. Our standard program download has two feedbanks, AMTS Commercial and AMTS Feeds. 3 additional feedbanks are available through the Tools, AMTS Downloads drop-down in the program toolbar. They are AMTS EU, AMTS Tropical, and Feedbank Italia. Review the Feeds video to learn about downloading and settings to automatically download updates. It is linked below in the description. My focus today is using the My Feedbanks button on the ribbon bar to create custom feedbanks. A custom feedbank can be used to simplify feed selection and speed recipe creation. Using feedbanks, you can customize feeds you use on most of your farms so that the feeds can be updated once for price and analysis, and, using the Reconcile feature, applied to each farm as you open it. Feeds that are on the farm are considered local. Feedbank feeds are global and can be used on all farms. Custom feedbanks allow creation of mill-specific feed libraries. This is especially useful if the farms you are feeding draw from different mills. By creating mill or regionally specific feedbanks, you can readily update information like prices, analyses of various ingredients, and specialty mixes. If you consistently pull farm feed ingredients from these feed banks rather than from the main AMTS library, you will have farms with feeds that are easily updated should there be a change in price, nutrient composition, or mix formulation. When changes occur, feeds can be reconciled efficiently using the Reconcile button. You can take this feature a step further by setting your program to automatically reconcile when opening a farm in program settings. You will have the option to prevent reconciliation of selected feeds if you choose this convenience feature. Additionally, feedbanks can be shared between AMTS.Farm users, allowing for ingredient analysis sharing and even diet sharing. Companies can use custom feedbanks as a training tool for new hires. More experienced and more skilled nutritionists with a company can take the time to create feedbanks that will assist in the training and onboarding process. Using opt default and default amounts in the feed edit window and then transferring those feeds to a feedbank provides guardrails and guidance. Feedbanks, with judicious inclusion of diets as mixes, combined with well-designed ration output templates, can take some of the worry and hand-holding out of the training period. Well-formulated diets, converted to mixes, can provide benchmarks for integrating products on other farms. These tools take some of the "what if I formulate it wrong" stress out of play, and allows the less experienced nutritionist to focus on on-farm observation. Using feedbanks can be an excellent way to pass on experienced ration formulation principles and extend training within companies. Custom feedbanks can be time savers for independent nutritionists as well as company-based formulators. Creating custom feedbanks and reconciling feeds allows for efficient ingredient updating. Turning a diet into a mix, then adding the mix to a common feedbank allows you to move a perfectly tuned diet from one farm to another similar farm in the quickest fashion. Consider the time saver this can be for you if you are needing to build out diets in a number of farms or moving to AMTS from another program and need to recreate all your client farms. Our next video will show the process for creating a custom feed bank using the My Feedbanks feature in the feed screen.